Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. This is just a real quickie sort of preview thing. I am actually, believe it or not, getting to the 5,000 subscriber mark. I just rounded the corner on 4,900, so I think like 80 or so to go. As of this morning anyway. I'm so excited, I can't tell ya. But as a way to say thank you to my subscribers, who are wonderful people with excellent taste, I am giving away a bunch of cups that I made on these videos that you watched me make. And now here's your chance to win. I'm not doing the giveaway right now. I'm going to hold off till we get to 5K. But I wanted you to see the cups that will be in the giveaway. You will have a chance at any or all of them if you choose to enter. That will be upcoming. It will be a different video. This is just a preview. So let's go in for a quickie look. We have the feeling kinda, I don't, ish today. We have the salty, what does that say? Oh my gosh. Salty like the ocean calling me. This was my attempt at teal and metallic. It has a pink seahorse on the other side, and it has some little critters on the bottom too. This was a metallic, oh my god, no one cares. This was a Mr. No's Glitter Wonderlust box. I think it was for Mother's Day, and it was the one with all the roses in it. So there's that cup. There's no saying on the back, just some more roses. And let's see, down here we have another metallic cup. No such thing as too much bling. Then we have one of the 3 smoke ones I tried. This is the one with the dragon on it. We have a very recent, I made it in May, but I think I just released the video here in July. This is the Roses Are Red, blah, 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 vodka 3D rose cup from the mold, using the mold from April's Resin and More box. Then we have kind of a mishmash failed attempt at another stocking. Lots of different colors, lots of beautiful glitter underneath, Tack-It Method, color shift glitters from Glitter Chimp. And then I finished it off with a rainbow heart for Pride Month. So we're not in Pride Month anymore, but Pride is all year. And rainbows are all the time, if only. And then this goes way back. This was, I think, another attempt at mica layered hatching, or layered mica hatching. And I used all Aurora mica flakes from Woody's Goodies. Anyway, these are the 9 cups I'm going to be giving away in a future video when we get to 5K. I just wanted to show you, tantalize, preview, teaser, however you want to say it. So thanks everyone, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.